Hello, welcome to analysis today on HFT. HFT is hitting a support zone and it's bouncing up from there, which is an indication that it's time to buy on HFT. This analysis will start from the present moment. I'll walk you through the past activity. I'll also show you the big picture and I'll now explain the projection on where HFT is heading based on the price movement. Look at this chart very closely. I'll be starting from the support zone where we have this upward close bar with above average volume. Note, this is the type of bar we like to have on a support zone. Why? Because first and foremost, it will stop the downward correction coming down on the chart, and it will either put brake on the price, making it ranging on the sideways, or it will reverse it upward in it will reverse it upward and the rally will continue. Sometimes when it stop price correction from coming down, it will just let it to range for a while and we will now have another type of bar occurring on this support zone. That one will now support the strength of this, making it double strength, and it will now push the price upward. A rally will continue. Let me explain what happened here onward. When this bar occur, which stop the downward correction, the market gets into sideways trading. And as it was in sideways trading, underneath the chart, the volume continued to stay below average volume. That's a very good indication, and it's also supporting the strength of this bar. When you look at the only two volume that's a little bit above the average volume, they are bullish bar and also bullish volume. That is what we want. We don't want any sellers to gain more strength and rise above the trade on this particular zone. And we all now that it has put the price on sideways, if we finally see another type of bar with a volume above average, that will kick off our trade and it will initiate our order, which will now be trading towards its resistance zone. When it finally got to this resistance zone, we want to watch how the price is going to behave at this point, if it's going to break it decisively or if it's going to retest the price of the resistance zone, which is around 0.79994. That's 0.8. Let me zoom out on this chart and show you the big picture. When you look at HFT from where the rally started, you will see that it made a massive move of about 243% increase up to 0.1. That's the first leg from the rally, and that's still the only significant leg. After that, we are having correction, which took it down to the 50-day moving average. Also, it ranged from that particular place onward before it hit another resistance again. When it has a short-term resistance here, the resistance was hit the second time, which confirmed it as a very important level before the price now finally dropped downward to this support zone, which we now have this bar that puts brakes on it. Guys, I'll appreciate you if you can subscribe to the channel, which will encourage me more to post more beautiful analysis on your favorite cryptocurrencies. I'll also like if you can share the video, like and comment on this video. And if you have any opinion, also put it in the comment section. Let me continue on this analysis. Now that we have a floor for the downward correction, so it's always safe to buy around support, because when you buy around support, it's telling us that the price is no more going downward. The only place it's going to go from there, it's upward, which is what we always want as a cryptocurrency trader, which will always made us money. And if it now rises above the resistance zone, if it breaks through it, I'll be going to our projection now. That's our profits. Let me zoom out the chart so it can contain all the necessary price activity. Our target zone is also the same indication that we calculated from this rally started area to point one. It's the same zone we'll be projecting from this upward resume area upward. That should give us around 2.7, which will be open to target immediately HFT break above the uptrend resume area. Note, a rally is going to start from this support zone. It's safe to buy from here. The price is no more going down, and if it gets to here, we'll add more to the position, which we expect it to continue its upward movement to the target point before it had another significant correction, as the trend has started gradually and is gaining momentum bit by bit. If this analysis really help you, subscribe to the channel, like and share with your friends. I'll see you in the next analysis. Thanks for watching. Bye.